Hi everyone. Are you seeing the device not certified error in Google Play Store after the latest Android security update? Don't worry, in this video I will show you simple ways to fix this problem step by step. Step 1. Clear Play Store cache. First, open your phone settings. Go to Apps, Google Play Store, Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache. This refreshes the Play Store and fixes temporary errors. Step 2. Clear Google Play Services cache. Next, go back to Apps. And find Google Play Services. Open Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. This helps reset Google Services connected to the Play Store. Step 3. Restart your phone. Now restart your Android phone. A simple restart can refresh system services and remove temporary glitches. Step 4. Check Play Product certification. Open the Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Then go to Settings. About. Look for Play Product Certification. If it says device not certified, you may need to register your device. Step 5. Update Google Play Services. Go to the Play Store. And search for Google Play Services. If an update is available, install it. Keep this update is important for Play Store functionality. Last option, register device with Google. If the error still continues, visit Google's device registration page using your browser. Enter your device Android ID and register it manually. And that's it. These steps should help to fix you the device not certified error on the Play Store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy Android tips.